Welcome back. We are going to continue with the lesson Friends in the Park. Now let us see what is Manu and Amina doing in the park. Every day they go and play in the park with their friends. They both like to sit on the seesaw. Yes, they both like to sit on the seesaw and the slippery slides. Now let us see what they want to do further. There is only 2 swings in the park. Now how many swings are there in the park? There are only 2 swings in the park. All the children like to swing. Yes. How many swings are there in the park? There are only 2 swings in the park. See here. See in this picture. See. There are only 2 swings in the park. And see, Manu and Amina are sitting on the swing and all their friends waiting for their turn. Yes, children, we all must wait for our turn. We should not fight. We should wait for our turn. See, Manu's friends, they are waiting so patiently. Yes, they are waiting for their turn, right? Okay. They take turns so that all can have fun. Now they are waiting for their turn so that after Manu and Amina finish their swing, they can sit and swing and everybody can have fun. All the friends standing together over here can have fun. Okay, children? One day, a new boy, Sunny. One day, a new boy, Sunny, comes to the park. Now, who comes to the park? Sunny. Sunny is a new boy. Yes, children? Sunny is a new boy. See, one day, a new boy, Sunny, comes to the park. He is tall and strong. Who is tall and strong? Sunny. Sunny is tall and strong. He wants to sit on the swing. Now see children, see over here. This is Sunny. This is Sunny. And this is Manu. So Sunny wants to sit on the swing. See, he is so tall and so strong and Manu is little short. Okay, children. Now let us see what he does. He wants to sit on the swing. He pushes Manu off the swing. Now what he does? He wants to sit. Who wants to sit? Sunny wants to sit on the swing. So he pushes Manu. He pushes मतलब धक्का दे देता है मनु को. Okay? He pushes Manu from the swing. Now let us see what happened to Manu. Manu hurts his leg. Now after Sunny pushes Manu, hurts his leg. Manu gets hurt. See here. Poor thing Manu. He's got hurt. See. Sunny is standing here and having a smile on his face. Okay, now let's see what Amina says to Sunny. Manu hurts his leg. Amina is sad. Don't be rough, Sunny, she says. Now what Amina says to Sunny? She says don't be rough. Means don't be rude. Gussa nahi karna. Okay? Don't be rude. Rough means very, you could say very like a person who fights. He speaks very roughly. So she says, don't be rough. Sunny, she says. Sunny does not listen to her. Now after saying so much, does Sunny listen to Amina? No, he is not listening to Amina. See over here, Amina is sad because Manu's got hurt. And look at Sunny, he is feeling so happy. So children, when we go into the park, we must behave ourselves. We should not fight with anybody. We should wait for our turn to come. Yes, so Sunny did that? No, Sunny pushed Mannu and Mannu got hurt. Okay, children? So, this is not a right way to play in the garden. Now, there are only 2 swings in the park. All the children like to swing. They take turns. Underline the word turns, so that all can have fun. Okay, children? One day, a new boy, Sunny, comes to the park. Okay, underline the word comes. He is tall and strong. Underline the word strong. He wants to sit on the swing. He pushes, underline the word pushes, Mannu off the swing. Okay? Mannu hurts his leg. Underline the word hurts. Amina is sad. Don't be rough, Sunny, she says. Underline the word rough. Rough means very harsh. Sunny does not listen to her. Okay, children? Today we will end this lesson over here. So, what did you understand till here in the whole story? That Mannu and Amina are very good friends. They have lot of friends in the park. Yes, they love to sit on the seashores and the slides also. But all the children love to sit on the swing. Yes, children? Okay, so everybody waits for their chance. Nobody pushes each other. Everybody waits patiently to get a chance. So one day who comes? A new boy, Sunny comes. He is tall and strong. He wants to sit on the swing on which Mannu was sitting. So what did he do? He pushed Mannu. He pushed Mannu. Did he do a right thing? No, he did not do a right thing, because you cannot be rude. So what happened after he pushed Mannu? Mannu got hurt on his leg. Amina was very sad because she's Mannu's friend. Even sometimes you get hurt, your friends feel sad, na? So Amina says to Sunny, you cannot be so harsh, you cannot be rough. So does Sunny listen to her? No, he does not listen to her. Children, you'll all have to write these words in your English notebook. Okay, and do the reading every day. Okay, children? Bye.